An ABC 17 Storm Track Weather Alert Day is in effect as we head into tonight and tomorrow. As we'll be tracking snow showers throughout about midnight tonight, and then heading into tomorrow, the second round starts to move in early in the morning, especially for areas north of I-70. We could end up with a good 2 to 6 inches of accumulating snow, possibly seeing some higher amounts north of Highway 36 and lesser amounts south of the Lake of the Ozarks. We could see up to 35-mile-per-hour wind gusts tonight into tomorrow, and that could help reduce visibility as well. So we are going to see the chance of some blowing snow, and cold temperatures by tomorrow night could continue to make slick roads into tomorrow night and Wednesday morning, continuing to see those closings and delays for much of mid-Missouri for tomorrow. Here's a look at the out-the-door forecast starting at 6 a.m. We could start off with some showers and eventually see more snow showers by mid to late morning as the temperature starts to drop back to near freezing. So it's going to be kind of a messy afternoon and evening for tomorrow as well, as low pressure continues to work its way onto the northeast. This is a look at our ABC 17 Storm Track radar. As you'll notice, there is a defined rain-snow line across portions of southern Missouri. We've been kind of flopping back and forth there near the Lake of the Ozarks this evening, but behind that, colder air continues to wrap around this, and that is going to move in for tomorrow night, allowing this kind of freeze over. Here's our ABC 17 Storm Track future track at 8 o'clock this evening. Just about all of our area seeing widespread snow showers, snowfall rates up to at least an inch per hour, if not more, especially for northern and northeast Missouri for a lot of this evening. As we get later into the night, here's midnight. We are going to see some drier air trying to move into the system as it continues to move right over us. We'll see a wind shifting back to the north and northeast, allowing for some colder temperatures on the backside of this system, but we will have a break from precipitation, at least for a couple of hours. Here's 4 a.m. Temperatures will be above freezing and near that rain snow line, which is likely going to set up near I-70. So areas north of that likely will continue to see accumulating snow. South of that, we'll have some rain that could cut into our overall snow totals. By 6 a.m., best chance of precipitation overall is going to still be along and north of that I-70 corridor. Getting later into the morning, the second batch of this starts to move back in, and temperatures will be cool enough with that northwest breeze where we will likely see all snow. This is where we'll pick up some more accumulation. However, the snow showers are going to be a little bit lighter as they're coming down. The snowfall rates won't be quite as heavy for tomorrow. Still expecting the snow to hang around at least until about 6 or 7 o'clock. The back edge will start to move out to the east after we get past about 7 or 8 o'clock tomorrow night. We're going to see cold temperatures dropping down to the upper teens to around 20 degrees by Wednesday morning. So anything untreated still going to be slick for the Wednesday morning commute, but we should start warming back up into the upper 30s to around 40 on Wednesday afternoon. So that should help with some melting. Here's a look at our snowfall total forecast. This has shifted just a little bit since this morning, but not a whole lot. Generally still thinking here along I-70 just south, around 3 to 5 inches possible through tomorrow night. Points south from about Herman to Osage Beach, around 1 to 3 inches, and then still looking at the highest amounts north of Highway 36, where we could pick up 5 to 9 inches. Moberly in that 5 to 6 inch range by tomorrow night, and then points north will be the biggest impact, 9 to 12 possible up along the Iowa-Missouri border. Here's the traffic tracker for the next 36 hours or so. Likely still going to have poor road conditions tonight. Going to be wet and slushy. Tomorrow morning could have enough of a break to where a lot of that melts, especially south of I-70, but tomorrow night into Wednesday morning, we could be looking at slick spots and possibly some closings and delays. Now, looking ahead towards the weekend, I'll be tracking another system that could bring more snow on Friday, and behind that, bitterly cold air for a lot of the Midwest. That means low temperatures will be falling into the single digits, and potentially we could see some wind chills below zero over the weekend. High temperatures on both Saturday and Sunday, upper teens to low 20s. And again, those morning feels like temperatures could dip below zeros. Don't be surprised if we have to issue another weather alert day for the weekend, just because we'll be tracking those frigid temperatures. Here's our ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast. Once we get past Wednesday, I'll be tracking another system that will bring some rain by Thursday night, possibly seeing a changeover to more accumulating snow between Friday morning and Friday afternoon. Once that clears Friday night, we are left with a cold weekend. High temperatures only making it to the teens starting on Sunday.